A shadow falls across the water, a silent behemoth emerging from the depths of innovation and engineering prowess. A floating city forged from steel and ambition, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. This is the USS Gerald R. Ford, a name that echoes with the promise of a new era in naval dominance. The first of a new generation of American supercarriers, a symbol of strength and a beacon of technological superiority. More than an evolution, a mere upgrade to existing platforms, it's a revolution in naval warfare, a paradigm shift that redefines the very nature of maritime power projection. For decades, Nimitz-class carriers ruled the seas, the undisputed queens of the ocean, but the Ford class is built for a new era of threats and technology, designed to confront the challenges of the 21st century and beyond. It redefines what a warship can be, pushing the boundaries of engineering and naval architecture, not just as a platform for aircraft, a mere floating airfield, but as a symbol of power in the age of cyber warfare and hypersonic missiles, a multi-domain warfighting platform. Its presence alone shifts global strategy, influencing geopolitical calculations and power dynamics across the globe, and signals American resolve, a clear message of commitment to its allies, and a deterrent to potential adversaries. The Ford is designed to dominate for the next 50 years, a long-term investment in naval superiority and global security. Overcoming immense engineering challenges and requiring billions in investment, a testament to the scale of ambition and the commitment to innovation. Every system, from its nuclear core to electromagnetic catapults, representing a leap forward in power generation and aircraft launch technology, is reimagined for efficiency, lethality, and survivability, ensuring its effectiveness in the face of evolving threats. It's a testament to the will to maintain naval supremacy, a commitment to protecting national interests and ensuring freedom of the seas. As the Ford and its sister ships, the Kennedy and Enterprise, enter service, bolstering the U.S. Navy's carrier fleet, they open a new chapter in naval history, ushering in an era of unprecedented capabilities and technological dominance. These carriers generate more sorties, launching aircraft at a higher tempo than ever before, operate with smaller crews, streamlining operations and reducing manpower requirements, and produce more power than ever before, enabling the integration of advanced weapon systems and future technologies. They're not just improved, they're game changers, fundamentally altering the landscape of naval warfare. The Ford-class story is the story of the future of naval conflict, a glimpse into the evolving nature of maritime power. It's about technology, power, and the enduring importance of controlling the seas, ensuring global trade and projecting influence around the world. This is the dawn of a new era, a new chapter in the history of naval power. The Ford silhouette is a promise to allies, a symbol of unwavering support and a commitment to collective security, and a warning to adversaries. A clear message that aggression will not be tolerated, and that American power will be brought to bear when necessary. The age of the Ford class has begun, and with it, a new era of American naval dominance. What truly distinguishes the Gerald R. Ford class from the Nimitz class? What are the key innovations and advancements that set it apart? It's not merely an upgrade, it's a complete redesign, conceived and executed for the demands and challenges of the 21st century. This is a vessel built from the keel up with modern warfare in mind. The island, the ship's command center, is moved further aft, strategically opening up the flight deck. This creates a significantly larger and more efficient space for aircraft operations, allowing for a faster and smoother flow of launches and recoveries. The Ford-class carrier is capable of launching a staggering 33% more sorties than its Nimitz-class predecessor, rapidly delivering a greater volume of firepower with unparalleled speed and efficiency. This increased operational tempo provides a decisive advantage in any engagement. High-speed electromagnetic weapons elevators, a revolutionary advancement, coupled with a completely reimagined deck layout, optimized for speed and safety, ensures the air wing can maintain a relentless fighting tempo that rivals simply cannot match, providing a sustained operational advantage. Below deck, a network of automation and advanced systems work in concert, allowing the Ford class to operate with approximately 700 fewer sailors compared to the Nimitz class, resulting in billions of dollars in savings over its lifespan, while simultaneously improving the quality of life for those serving on board. More space, significantly better accommodations for the crew, and a smaller logistical footprint, streamlining resupply and maintenance, translate to longer deployments, increased operational readiness, and a boost in overall crew morale. The Ford class is powered by two advanced A-1B nuclear reactors, which are not only smaller and inherently safer, incorporating the latest safety features, but also generate nearly 3 times the electrical power compared to the reactors found on the Nimitz-class carriers. This massive surplus of power is essential for operating emails, the electromagnetic aircraft launch system, as well as advanced radar systems, and enables the integration of future upgrades, including directed energy weapons like lasers, offering unparalleled defensive and offensive capabilities. The Ford class isn't simply built to meet the demands of today's naval operations. It's designed with the future in mind, ready to adapt and integrate tomorrow's advanced weapons and counter emerging threats. Every single element, from its power plant to its flight deck, is meticulously designed for maximum adaptability, unparalleled efficiency, and to ensure overwhelming technological superiority on the high seas for decades to come. The Ford class represents the new blueprint for the future of naval warfare, setting a new standard for carrier design and operation. It's far more than just a new ship. It's not just an incremental improvement. It's a completely new way of thinking about naval power projection and maritime strategy in the 21st century. The difference is nothing short of revolutionary, reshaping the landscape of naval warfare. The Gerald R. Ford is a behemoth over 1,100 feet long, with a 4.5-acre flight deck. Displacing 100,000 tons, it's a floating city operating more than 75 advanced aircraft. Thanks to automation, the Ford runs with about 4,500 crew, hundreds fewer than the Nimitz-class advanced systems-free sailors, for mission-critical tasks and reduce operational costs. Life aboard is transformed more space-better facilities and improved morale. Twin nuclear reactors give the Ford unlimited range and over 20 years of operation without refueling. The ship can reach speeds over 30 knots and deploy rapidly anywhere on the globe. The Ford is a self-contained powerhouse projecting American power worldwide. It's a city at sea built for efficiency and dominance. The Ford class represents a significant advancement in naval technology, replacing traditional steam catapults that have been a mainstay of aircraft carriers for decades. It does so with the revolutionary electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS. This cutting-edge system marks a paradigm shift in how aircraft are launched from carriers. EMALS uses powerful electromagnetic fields precisely controlled for smoother, more precise launches. This translates to less wear and tear on the aircraft during the critical launch phase. The result is reducing stress on aircraft, minimizing structural fatigue, and ultimately extending their lifespan. This leads to significant cost savings and increased operational readiness. EMALS boasts unparalleled versatility. It can launch everything from lightweight drones, expanding the carrier's capabilities in reconnaissance and surveillance, to heavy, next-generation fighters, ensuring the carrier can handle the most advanced aircraft in the inventory. This future-proofing the carrier's air wing, allowing it to adapt to evolving threats and mission requirements for decades to come. Complementing EMALS is the Advanced Arresting Gear, AAG. This system revolutionizes landings, bringing a new level of control and precision to aircraft recovery. AAG uses advanced electric motors for smoother, more reliable recoveries, minimizing the jolts and stresses associated with traditional hydraulic systems. Both systems require less maintenance, reducing downtime and freeing up personnel for other critical tasks. They also handle a wider range of aircraft weights and configurations than ever before, providing greater operational flexibility. EMALS and AAG work in concert to make the Ford's flight deck the most advanced and efficient in the world, capable of supporting a higher tempo of operations. The result: more sorties, less wear on aircraft, and unmatched flexibility in responding to diverse mission requirements. The Ford is not just equipped for today's challenges, it is ready for the future of naval aviation. Every launch and recovery is faster, safer, and more efficient, maximizing the carrier's operational effectiveness. This advanced technology is a force multiplier, enhancing the capabilities of the entire fleet and projecting power around the globe. The Ford class sets a new standard for carrier operations, pushing the boundaries of what's possible at sea. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward, transforming naval aviation for the 21st century. The future of carrier aviation is here, embodied in the Ford class and its groundbreaking technologies. The Ford class features the dual-band radar, DBR, integrating multiple radar functions into fixed, solid-state panels. No moving parts means fewer breakdowns and a smaller radar signature. The S-band scans for distant threats, the X-band provides high-resolution targeting. DBR fuses data for a comprehensive real-time battlespace picture. It's more powerful, more resistant to jamming, and can track hundreds of targets simultaneously. The Ford's radar acts as the nerve center for the entire strike group, sharing data with escorts and aircraft. This creates a networked web of sensors and shooters, where every asset sees the same picture. The result? Faster reactions, better coordination, and unmatched situational awareness. The Ford's radar is a game-changer in modern naval warfare. It protects the carrier and multiplies the power of the entire fleet. The future of network defense is now. The Ford class is built for survival, with stealth features that reduce its radar signature. Its layered defenses start with evolved Sea Sparrow missiles and rolling airframe missiles to intercept incoming threats. Phalanx Gatling guns provide a last line of defense against missiles and aircraft. The carrier's air wing, led by F-35Cs and Super Hornets, forms a protective shield, intercepting threats far from the ship. The Ford never sails alone. It's the centerpiece of a carrier strike group surrounded by destroyers, cruisers, and submarines. All are networked, sharing sensor data and coordinating responses. A threat detected by one ship can be engaged by another, creating a web of protection. The Ford's greatest defense is its networked fleet, making it the most survivable surface ship afloat. It's not just a ship, it's the queen on the chessboard, protected by a powerful team. The Ford class redefines naval defense. Survival is built into every layer. The Gerald R. Ford class stands alone among the world's carriers. Only the U.S. operates nuclear-powered, catapult-equipped supercarriers. Most others use smaller, conventionally powered ships with ski-jump ramps. These limitations mean less range and payload, and sortie rate for rival carriers. The UK's Queen Elizabeth class and China's Liaoning and Shandong are impressive, but none match the Ford's size, power, or technology. China's new Fujian has emails, but it's unproven and years behind in integration. France's Charles de Gaulle is nuclear-powered but much smaller. Russia's Admiral Kuznetsov is plagued by problems. The Ford class offers a generational leap, unlimited range, unmatched sortie rate, and advanced defenses. It's not just bigger, it's the most capable and influential carrier afloat. The Ford class isn't just a new ship, it's a new way of fighting. Its higher sortie rate means faster air superiority and overwhelming firepower. Emails enables a diverse mix of manned and unmanned aircraft, opening new tactical possibilities. Massive electrical power allows for future weapons like lasers and railguns, changing naval defense forever. The Ford becomes the central node in a networked, multi-domain force, fusing data from satellites, ships, and aircraft. This enables complex, coordinated operations across air, sea, and cyberspace. The Ford class is the enabler of a new era in naval warfare. The Ford class journey faced delays and cost overruns as new technologies were perfected. Critics questioned the vulnerability of such a valuable asset in an age of hypersonic missiles and advanced submarines. The Navy counters with layered defenses, mobility, and the power of the strike group. The Ford is designed for continuous upgrades, ready to adapt to future threats. Whether the Supercarrier remains the dominant model or gives way to smaller, unmanned platforms is an open question. The Ford is a projection of strategic vision and a bet on the enduring value of sea power. As it leads the fleet, it embodies the future of naval dominance.